Dear students, in this unit we will talk how the natural selection affects the allelic frequencies in a given population. Now, natural selection has a significant effect on allele frequencies. If an allele provides a phenotype that enables an individual to better survive or have more offsprings, the frequency of that allele will increase. On the other hand, natural selection can cause microevolution with the fitness increasing alleles becoming more population, more and more in that, more and more common in that specific population. Now, this natural selection, when it causes microevolution with the fitness increasing alleles, they become more common in a given population. This actually is a measure of reproductive success of those individuals with a certain specific type of that trait in a given population. The better the reproductive success, the more chances of a species to survive and compete in the environment. If we take the example of humans, for example, if in a population, in a close population of humans at some place, if a certain individual have more likeliness towards skin color, and they have a more affinity toward a certain type of skin color, then ultimately they will have more tendency to be attracted towards the individual within the population with the same color. And this will increase the allelic frequency of that certain skin color within the population, and it will increase their survival rate in returns. Now, this natural selection along with genetic drift and gene flow, these are the mechanisms that cause changes in the allelic frequencies over time. Now, this natural selection, selection of a certain allele based on the affinity or the attraction towards a certain thing, along with the genetic drift and gene flow, because that population is not an isolated one, and there is a great deal of mixing of individuals from other populations, it gives them more chances or more susceptibility towards increase in the allele frequency of that specific trait over a certain period of time in a given population. When one or more of these forces are acting in a population, then this population is not following the Hardy-Weinberg equation or the theorem. This means that it is deviating from that theorem. And deviation means the evolution is taking place inside that population. If there is more deviation, that means there is accelerated evolutionary process going on in that given population. Now, if a certain phenotype make an organism more fit than the others, then allelic frequency of those genes will increase. Another example is the color of the eye. For example, if the blue eye color becomes an attraction to the member of a certain population, then the population will start favoring the people with the blue eye color, so it will have more allelic frequency within the population. And this selection is actually the process that increases the frequency in other organism as well. Just like in plants, it will increase the frequency of plant resistance alleles in natural ecosystem through the process of co-evolution. Similarly, this generalized model of natural selection is based on one locus with two alleles and is applicable to only diploid plants, fungi, animals, etc. It is not applicable to those organisms which have a single locus. They don't have any multiple alleles on that one. This is actually used to predict how fast alleles or genotype frequencies will change as a result of natural selection in a set of population.